my new drone.
That was amazing, Jordie.
Thanks. It's the best drone ever. I want that drone.
Huh?
My drone! It's flying by itself.
Come on.
Whoa! This thing's tricky to steer.
Another lovely day in Petport. Whoa, whoa! What's going on? I'll stop this menace. Whoa!
Officer Freeze!
How do you control this thing?
Somebody help me!
Don't worry, Officer Freeze. We're coming for you. Quick, Morphle. Morph into a fire truck. It's okay, Officer Freeze. Grab my hand.
Thanks, you three. What is that thing?
It's my new drone, but it's flying by itself.
It's not flying by itself. It's flying by Winston. Look!
Stop, you silly drone!
After him!
What are we going to do?
Morphle! Morph into a crane! Drag the bus back to safety! Good job, Morphle!
Thanks, guys.
Oh, that close!
The drone! After it!
Get back here! Ah! Stop! No, please! We have to get that remote control.
And I know how! Morphle, morph into a helicopter!
Yeah! What, you useless thing? Oh!
Stay still, Morphle!
Morphle, try!
Thank you.
Hurry, Mila!
Great job, Mila.
Here you go, Jordie.
This is how you fly a drone.
Nicely done. Every day's a magical day with a magic cat. Daddy's gonna love this cake we've made for him, Morphle.
Look tasty!
Daddy works so hard looking after us. He deserves a treat sometimes.
Whoa, cake! Orphle, eat cake!
Hey, put that down! We've got to get that cake back. Morphle, morph into a space hopper.
Morphle, morph, morph!
You give that cake back, Orphle.
Why, you?
Morphle, sorry!
You!
Orphle, no eat Daddy's cake!
Morphle, morph into a race car so we can catch Orphle.
Morphle, morph, morph!
Not again!
So sorry, Mr. Vanderboos. We made that cake for Daddy.
Come and get it!
Orphle's going to ruin Daddy's cake. We have to get it back. Morphle, morph into a robot. We can still make today magical.
Morphle, morph, morph!
What's the third time today?
Sorry!
Oh. No!
Morphle, catch that cake! Well done, Morphle. You saved the cake. We'll bring you a nice slice later, Mr. Vanderboos.
Oh.
Hey! What about Morphle?
We made you this cake, Daddy.
Oh, thank you. I hope you didn't go to any trouble.
No trouble, Daddy. Every day's a magical day with a magic pet. Oh, Morphle, isn't it great that there's nothing weird going on in the animal sanctuary?
Something weird's going on in the animal sanctuary.
The tiger thinks it's a penguin. The monkeys think they're tigers. The penguins think they're elephants. Oh, these mixed up animals need our help. Quick, morph into a tiger. Perfect. Now, go show that confused tiger how it's supposed to act.
Morphle, help Tiger! Elephant monkey!
Morph into a crane and put that tree back. Come back, monkey! Oh, I mean elephant! Professor Paula? What's happening?
Mila! Morphle! The giraffe thought my hypno-ray was a snack and grabbed it when I wasn't looking!
Giraffe, tiger?
So that's why all the animals are acting cuckoo. They think they're different animals. Morphle, morph into a dragon and get that hypno-ray back. Hurry! Morphle!
Oh no! What'll we do now?
We get that ray before it gets us too! Now let's help the other animals. Watch out for hungry giraffes next time, Professor Paula. Let's make today magical. Morphle, morph into me. Now put these on, and we can play pranks on Daddy and our friends. You look exactly like me.
Morphle is Mila. Boo!
Oh, it's you, Mila. I didn't see you come down.
That's because I'm still up here.
Then you must be Morphle?
Hey, Mila, do you and Morphle want to play?
Morphle no here, but Mila play.
Great, let's go.
Hi,
Mila.
Hi.
What shall we play, Mila? You're great at thinking of fun games.
Tag?
Yeah, okay, Mila. You're it.
Tag.
Whoa!
Wow. Wait a second. You're not Mila. You're Morphle.
Look! Morphle isn't with them, so we can steal their toys! Great idea!
Hey, that's ours!
Thanks for the hula hoop!
Give it back.
Mila!
Hey, that's not nice.
What's going on? Get me down! Yeah! There's two Milas! Hey! Come back!
Morphle! Did you have fun being me?
Yeah, but Morphle liked being Morphle best.
Every day's a magical day with a magic pet.
I can hear the bus, but I can't see it, Morphle. Huh?
Huh? Bus Tiny.
A little bus and bus driver Stacy. How did this happen?
I have no idea. I was driving along and zap! I became tiny.
We have to get you back to your normal size.
Please hurry. I've got passengers to pick up.
We'll help. Morphle, morph into a bus.
Morphle, morph, morph.
Look! Everything's tiny! What's going on? Where's Officer Freeze?
Ah, shoo! Get away from me! Shoo! Oh, thanks, Mila. The bandits shrunk me as I was about to get in my car.
I knew they'd be behind this. But how are we going to find them? I know! We'll follow the trail of shrunken things. Morphle, morph into a police car, and let's make today magical!
Morphle, morph, morph.
A mini soccer ball? A mini police station! They've even shrunk the ice cream truck!
What? Not in my city.
The bandits definitely came this way. But where are they now?
Tiny crane.
We have to get that shrink ray. Chase those bad bandits, Morphle. Give us that shrink ray, you naughty bandits!
Never! Let us go! Zap it! Now shrink Morphle! Hey, what's happening?
Papa, catch bandits.
Thanks for your help, Mila and Morphle. I think I'll keep you this size for a while.
Every day is a magical day with a magic pet.
These flowers look great, Mila. I think we need some more dirt around the yellow ones.
Morphle, how? Morphle, morph!
Whoa, thanks for helping, Morphle. Looks like the flowers could use some water now.
Huh?
Oh no, Morphle! You're getting yourself and everything muddy!
Morphle loves mud!
You are one muddy Morphle.
Too muddy. Come on, Morphle. Let's make today magical. And take a bath. This bath is so nice and warm. And look, I'm filling it with bubbles.
Morphle, no bath!
Come on now, Morphle. It's bath time.
Morphle, morph!
Hold on, Morphle. Maybe he should morph into a ball, but then he'd bounce away. I got it. Morphle, morph into a penguin so you can dive into the pool.
Morphle, morph!
I'll catch you, Morphle.
Morphle slipping!
Wow, a slip-sliding penguin. Hi, Morphle, I'm coming to get you. We have to stop this. You're getting mud everywhere. Watch out for Mr. Vanderboost. Morphle, morph into a huge sponge to soak up the water so you can stop.
Morphle, morph!
My ice cream!
Yay! Ice cream!
Whoa! Watch out, Morphle!
Now I'm wet! Mud? I really don't like mud. Now go home and take your mess with you.
So sorry, Mr. Vanderboost and Barky. I will. Okay, Morphle, you spongy sponge. Let's get you in the bath and all cleaned up.
Well, we finally got our muddy Morphle into the bath.
I know! Now you're all clean, Morphle, so you can come out of the bath.
Morphle bath time! Morphle stay!
Every day's a magical day with a magic pet. Ready to play hide and seek? Yay! Remember, don't leave the yard in case those pesky bandits are on the loose. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready or not, here I come.
Are we there yet? Carry me. I have a better idea. Let's steal that bike.
Found you.
You're too good at this game, Mila.
But I can't find Morphle. Can you see him anywhere?
Nope. He's hiding really well.
Morphle! Morphle! Come out wherever you are. Let's ask Magic Pet Glitterpug to turn us into Morphles. Wow, thanks.
Yay!
I'll morph into a race car to find him quickly.
If I can fly, I'll be able to look for Morphle all over the city. Awesome! I'm a superhero! I see Morphle! But the band bandits have him. Oops.
Morphle!
Ah, stop! The bridge is going up! We can make it!
I command you to stop.
Hey! Morphle! Morph into a helicopter to fly over the bridge!
Thanks, Mila! Now we have our own helicopter! Yeah. Hey! What's going on?
I've got an idea! Follow me!
Morphle, no bandit helicopter!
Quick! Let's steal these bikes and get away! Uh-oh!
Mila! Yes! It's me, Morphle! Jump in! Let's get these bandits back where they belong!
Sorry! Morphle do what Mila say next time.
It's okay. Every day is a magical day with morphing magic friends. Hey everyone! Look what I made! For my best friend.
Yay!
Morphle? I wanted to give him his badge.
What's this?
Uh-oh! Morphle, morph! Oh!
Morphle! Oh, I don't know where he is.
Don't worry, Mila. We'll find him together.
Thanks, April.
Where should we look first?
Let's go to all the places he loves, starting with
The ice cream truck.
Mila badge!
Oh, a best friend badge for me!
Morphle need badge!
You're not taking my badge! Can't find us here.
Geraldo! Have you seen Morphle? Oh no! Morphle's in trouble! I have to help!
But how do we get up there?
Morphle!
Mila!
Are you okay?
Bandits mean!
Morphle, morph into a super suit so we can stop them together.
Morphle! Morph, morph!
Oh!
We need to go faster! You stop right there, bandits!
Oh, fine. Here's your badge. Wait, you didn't make that for me?
Morphle, did you make this for me? I love it! Are you sad because you didn't get a badge?
Huh? Mila make Morphle badge!
Of course! You're not only my best friend, you make every day a magical day.
Good catch, Mila. It landed right in my hat.
Shark! There's a shark! Ah!
Oh no! We have to help him! Morphle, morph into a speedboat so we can get there fast.
Morphle! Morph, morph!
We're coming to get you! seaweed. I'll help you, Morphle. Ah! Are you okay?
I'm okay, but I didn't see where the shark went. I guess it swam away.
Morphle, you have to morph back into yourself to get free. Don't worry, you'll be safe, I promise. We're with you and the silly shark isn't around anymore. Let's play. How about follow the leader in the water? Follow me.
It's the shark again!
Wait, I know that giggle. I think Orphle is just pretending to be a scary shark. He's pranking us.
That's not very nice.
No, it's not. Maybe we should show Orphle how his prank made us feel. Morphle, please morph into a bigger shark than Orphle.
Morphle! Morphle!
We won't be mean, Morphle. Just swim around Orphle. Orphle, it's not really a shark. It's Morphle. You pranked us, so I wanted to show you how it feels.
Orphle, sorry.
I'm sure you didn't mean to scare anyone.
Orphle, play.
Oh. Why don't we all play a game together?
Yeah!
We could play hide and soak.
Or dolphin polo. Morphle and Orphle can morph into dolphins and we can ride them.
Morphle and Orphle, morph, morph.
Don't let the ball fall in the water. Shark!
It's just me.
It's not a shark. It's a daddy wearing his shark fin hat. Oh, Daddy.
Hey, how about a daddy and dolphins race?
Yeah! Every day's a magical day with a magic pet. I have to go and do something now, Morphle.
Morphle come?
Sorry, it's a secret, so you have to stay here. It's okay. I'll be back soon.
Mila!
Bye-bye, Morphle.
Oh, what's wrong, Morphle?
Where's Mila?
I don't know, but I'm sure she'll be back soon.
Morphle, morph, morph. Mila! Mila!
Hello, Morphle. Oh dear, what's wrong?
Mila here?
She's not here. Sorry.
Morphle, morph, morph. Mila here?
What? No, Mila's not here. Put me down, Morphle.
Whoa! Mila here?
Huh? No, Morphle, she's not here.
Huh?
Mila here?
No, Morphle. I'm sure she's around somewhere.
Mila!
Morphle's crying? Not in my city. Come on, Morphle. Dry those tears. Mila is waiting for you at home. Not so fast, Morphle. You haven't checked the backyard yet.
Surprise!
We wanted to throw you a party to thank you for being such an awesome magic pet. Every day's a magical day with a magic pet and good friends.